Hey, what's going on, World Wide Web? It's your boy Marlon Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing. Guys, it's a beautiful Wednesday morning here on the East Coast in Gaithersburg, Maryland, guys. And I just want to dive right in the next installment of my How to Make Money on the Internet with Email Marketing and Automated Sales Systems and Sales Funnels. Okay, guys, today in this installment, I want to talk about something. And I hope that it resonates with some of you guys. And some of you guys is going to resonate with, and some of you is not. If you're anything like I was when I first got started online, guys, I was all over the place. I don't like to think that I wasted a lot of time because I learned so much bouncing all over the place, trying to learn what it was I know now. And I'm still in the process of learning. But one of the things I found out, guys, is, and I realized somewhere halfway in between the time I started my internet marketing business is I don't want to be on the computer, right? All the time. I don't want to be on Facebook all day. I don't want to be on Instagram all day. I don't want to be on a computer like that. Right. And early on, I was on the computer a lot, man. You know what I mean? Teaching myself all these things. And it's great because I learned a lot. But now my time is more precious, right? I take care of my dad. He's legally blind, right? He went blind about 2 years ago, and I've been taking care of him ever since. He's 84 years old. I got 5 kids. Well, my oldest son, of course, you guys know, passed away years ago, but I still have 4 other kids. Even though they're grown, I still like to spend time with my children, my family. I have a wife, I have 2 cats, but I got 8 brothers and sisters. So time is very precious to me, right? And so I don't want to be on a computer all day, right? And I'm telling you guys, if you've been online for a little while, you know that you can get caught up, right? You can get caught up on the internet, guys. You can get caught up on Facebook. You can get caught up when you get started with a business opportunity, trying to figure out really how to get it moving, right? How to really get it going to a place where you don't have to be on the computer all the time. You can get caught up trying to post in Facebook groups all day and night. Hey, look, I'm not trying to do that anymore, guys, okay? I've done it. But now, guys, I'm moving toward what I call the 7-hour work week. And when this series is all built out, guys, that's where I'm going to land at, okay? I'm going to be in a place where I'm working a maximum of 7 hours a week, right? That's where I'm going. For any of you guys who's serious, right? You got to own it if you want it. But I can tell you right now, guys, when I'm all said and done with this series and you guys are all, it's all said and done with what you're going to be able to learn, you're going to be able to work a maximum of 7 hours too. That's my goal. I'm not going to stop until I get it done. And that's what's going on. Now, let me say this. This series is for 1 or 2 types of people, right? I can tell you who it's not for. It's not for people who believe that success comes before work. It does, but only in the dictionary, guys, okay? There is work that's got to be done. I'm showing you, I'm on my playlist right now that I just put together for this new YouTube video series. And for any of you guys who found me for the very first time, you're looking for a way to make money online. You're looking for a way to make money from home, but not just any fly-by-night, get rich quick scheme. I'm talking about laying the foundation where email marketing is concerned, and those basic fundamentals and laying that foundation, and then being able to plug automated sales funnels and marketing systems into your email marketing. That's what this is about. I got a playlist that I built. If you find me for the very first time, the information is absolutely free. Anybody can tap into the information and start using and applying the information. And the cool thing is, I talked yesterday in a video where I said it was twofold. At any given time, and I'm going to do that tomorrow, I'm going to introduce you guys to automated marketing systems and sales funnels. That all the things that I'm covering throughout this series actually do for you, okay? But you got to get in when you fit in. You got to put the work in and you got to do it. Otherwise, I'm going to tell you what's going to happen to you guys. You're going to be like I was. You're going to keep bouncing around thinking somebody's going to hand you something on a silver platter that you're going to snap your fingers and be able to just go out here and start making money online and you're going to get rich in 6 months or you. Hey, I know some serious success stories, guys. It's happened, right? Well, my best day in sales was a complete surprise to me, but it came from diligence, right? It came from continually learning and never giving up. But I'm telling you, learn the core foundation. This is for email marketers. Just what we want to make money from home. You can make money from home with any niche and anything that you do. There are 1,000 ways to make money from home. I'm talking about email marketing. If that's not for you, then this is not for you. But if it is, and you want to learn how to set up your own email marketing systems, campaigns, funnels, on complete automation, right, then this is where you want to be, because you can learn this, you can do it, and it doesn't take a lot of time to do it. And in fact, again, I'm boiling it down, I'm drilling it down to what's going to ultimately be a 7-hour work week. So when this particular series is over, it's going to segue into my 7-hour work week series, right? We're just going to be having a lot of fun, because all I'm going to be doing, guys, these campaigns will be set up. You guys will be able to be introduced to different marketing models, systems that you can go out and use. But basically, at the end of the day, you can work a maximum of 7 hours and make decent money doing it. Now, why am I saying all that? Because at the end of the day, guys, you want to work smart, right? Not hard. And that's the beauty of technology and automation. You don't have, you put the work in, right? But once it's done and it's all set up, basically where email marketing is concerned, your main goal after that is driving traffic into your automated marketing systems and sales funnels after they're set up. Even if it took you a week to set up one of these campaigns, which it shouldn't, right? I told you guys my best, I can do them in 5 minutes now. If you guys go through a playlist, you'll see what I'm talking about. And if you tap into any of the systems that I'm leaving in the YouTube video description area, basically 85% of this work is done for you. So tapping into the systems themselves is easy. But once it's all said and done, you're driving traffic into your marketing systems and sales funnels. That's smart, right? And because of technology, that's how you can get down to 7-hour work week, right? Now, because we're talking about working smart, right? Look, guys, everything that needs to be done when you're setting up an email marketing business or any other type of business, I don't care what it is, don't inundate yourself with, okay? Don't inundate yourself with the small stuff, or don't inundate yourself with the stuff that you don't have time or you don't want to do. Otherwise, guys, you're going to get yourself caught up, right? So to that end, guys, today in this video, I want to talk about outsourcing, right? I want to talk about outsourcing and how you can absolutely positively outsource anything that it is you want. In fact, when these automated marketing systems and sales funnels are set up, guys, outsourcing is basically all you're going to be doing. And guess what? I'm not talking about on Fiverr, which is what I'm going to talk about to you about now. I'm talking about outsourcing where the traffic is concerned, right? Because by the time we're finished with this series, guys, you guys are going to already understand the anatomy of email marketing and email marketing systems and automated sales systems and sales funnels. You're going to understand the fact that once you have them all set up, your only priority after that is to drive traffic into your marketing systems and sales funnels, and we're gonna get into that. But you outsource the traffic, right? Because, guys, the only type of free traffic that I use, right, is YouTube. Right? I'm not even gonna. We'll talk a little teeny bit, maybe every now and then, about free traffic. I'm not even going down that road because paid is so much faster. The traffic sources I'm going to be introducing you guys to are they're great sources to get you traffic, right? So if you can automate your business, you can automate your traffic, you can automate the entire process, that's what you want to do. But you're outsourcing it, right? And we're going to talk more about that when we get to the traffic portion of this particular video series. But Fiverr is a place where you can go, guys, to do all kinds of other things, right? I don't care what it is, guys. All kinds of other great stuff, right? It doesn't matter, right? You can go here and have almost anything you could possibly think of done. You got graphic design, right? Illustration. I don't care what it is, right? Just take a look at this, guys. Web and mobile design, right? Okay, we're in the graphic design section now. I mean, in the course of your business, right, whenever you're doing business, you're going to find you're going to need certain things done, right? Guys, don't try to take time to do all those little things. Come over here to a place like Fiverr, right? Look, let's go to writing. You got writing and translation here, right? Let's go to website content. I'm just going here, right, just to show you guys and give you an idea of the endless things that you can have done on this site, guys, okay? The list goes on and on. And this is for anybody, right? I don't care if you guys are following me along and you just happen to stumble on me right now, you're not following, whatever. You could come here and have anything you could possibly think of done. And if you can't find it, right, in the tabs up top, guys, go up here where you see where I am, where I'm mousing up here. Right up here, guys, you can type in anything you want. Let's say I wanted, trying to think of something I could type that you guys might need. Let's just say you said, wow, I really, outside of the information I just showed you guys about building capture page, let's go to, let's make a capture page creation, right? Let's say capture page. Let's say capture page creation. Now, because I'm just showing you guys this to let you know that anything you could possibly think of, right, you can probably find it on Fiverr, right? So, and I'm telling you that so that you don't get all caught up trying to do everything by yourself, right? Because your time is important, guys, you're gonna have to start outsourcing some things, okay? My wife do a lot of stuff for me sometimes. Okay, I didn't find anything for that because I probably got it wrong. But you know, you're not gonna be wanting to go do all these things for yourself, right? You don't have to, because a lot of the things that I'm talking about that you can find in here are really, they're really cheap. Just when you can get them done for, right? Now, if I probably spelled it wrong, right? Capture page creation. So let's see if we can get it. I know I spelled it wrong again because I got CREATIN instead of ION, right? So, but you get where I'm going, right, guys? Don't try to do everything on your own, right? Don't try to. If you need something done, see, okay, got website content, but that ain't where I want to be. You know, go inside, right? A place like Fiverr, it's a cool site. You can go in here and have a lot of your work that you need done for pennies on the dollar, right? That's not hype. That's true. You guys are gonna find out, right? Once you start doing business, guys, and you start trying to do everything on your own, right? You're gonna realize that, wow, there are not enough hours in the day, right? And time is precious, so don't try to do everything on your own. Little teeny things that you need done, guys, go inside a place like Fiverr and get it done on your own, okay? Because this is a great place, like I said, you can come to and have just about anything that you could possibly think of done. And these people back here, you can even become a person who does this kind of stuff. But yeah, okay, I'm on capture page creation now, guys. Anyway, I'm just telling you guys. I'm just giving you this information as an example of the things you can have done. And then let's say you guys had to get response or Aweber or GVO autoresponders. Not only would these guys inside of a place like this create the capture pages for you, they will also integrate them with your autoresponder, okay? I'm telling you that to tell you that don't sweat the small stuff. Outsource the small stuff. We're going to be talking more about outsourcing, particularly when it comes to traffic. But this, I wanted to bring you guys to Fiverr because I want you guys to know you can come back here and have just about anything you want done. A lot of times people get held up. They don't move forward because they don't know how to move forward, right? They don't know where the resources are. Although that's hard to understand with today's technology, guys. You can Google anything, right? You can Google anything and find out how to get it done, right? So there's no more excuses, guys. Thanks to technology, we can go to places like Fiverr. I'm going to leave the link to Fiverr in this YouTube video description area, right, where you guys can go, set up a free account, get back here, and just look at all the different types of stuff you're going to be able to do, guys, okay? So I wanted to make sure that I talked about outsourcing before we move forward, because if you guys feel like you can't do a particular thing, you can do it, guys, okay? You just got to always remember, where there's a will, there's a way, right? I can get it done. Because of technology, you can Google it, right? You can find out either how to do it yourself or how to get it done on a site like Fiverr. So I wanted to make sure I mentioned that. I'm going to leave all the pertinent links to the YouTube video series right here in the YouTube video description. Before the end of this week, guys, we'll be going into our first automated marketing system is going to be available to you if you guys haven't seen it already. And we'll be moving forward throughout the series, ultimately getting to this place where all the different sites will be set up. We'll start driving traffic, guys, and we'll start getting a little bit closer for you guys, if that's what you want to do, to the 7-hour work week. Anyway, guys, that's my spiel. I appreciate you guys being on the video. As always, this is your boy, Marlon Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, and I'll see you on the next video.